Hi, this is Ashley from Confident Coin here to give you a walkthrough of our updated bi-weekly 3 budget by paycheck spreadsheet file. So it's available in Google Sheets or Excel, and when you open the file they will both look the same like this. And this first tab we have called Start Here is just a quick walkthrough if you already know what you're doing. It does also come with a full PDF of instructions as well. So the first thing that is new and updated with this file, and the first thing you're going to want to do is enter your currency here, whatever the symbol is for you. And then we've added the option to enter in all of your budget subcategories here. So for each category it's got subcategories, and then 2 other new additions to the file are the option to include your investments and then also subscriptions, which we will come back to a few more times. So once you have entered in all of your data there, the next thing we are going to do is set up your paychecks or your budgets for each paycheck. So these budgets work off of your dates of your budget, so you need to enter the date your budget starts and the date your budget ends. And once you do that, you are going to enter in your income sources and your estimates, and then you will also enter in all of the estimates for your regular bills. Once that's done, you will, in obviously whichever order works for you, the same process applies to your budgets for 2 and 3, and then once that's done, you would move on to tracking your expenses. So as I mentioned before, this budget has a subscription tracker added in. So basically the way it works is you add in your service name here, the amount you pay for it for a month, and then whenever it is paid you tick the box and make sure you remember to enter the date so it ends up on the right budget. And if we go back into paycheck 1, you can see down here it is added the subscription total onto the budget that corresponds to the date. Also with the expense tracker, this is the same, but just so you can see it, it works with an easy drop-down menu. And in the expense tracker, you track everything except for your income. So you'll put in your expenses, your savings, your investments, all of that goes into here with the easy drop-down menu. And then once you've entered those things, they will show back up on your budget for you under your actual columns. And then one of the new things that is available on this spreadsheet is the additional column here, which is available. So basically your estimated amount minus your actual amount is the amount available, and it changes color depending on if that number is positive or negative. And then another new addition to the spreadsheet is a monthly summary here. So it's it looks almost the same as the budget, but it's just got each of your paychecks, each budget amount totaled here with a grand total at the end, so that you can see how much you've spent overall on each of the budgets that you've created. The last thing that's included in this file is a visual spending summary, which I think is great if you find this completely overwhelming. It has a bunch of graphs and charts to look at instead, so you can evaluate where your money is going. It also includes a text summary at the bottom here, and a place for some goals and reminders as well as notes. You can use this however you feel like. They work off of a checkbox system there. And that is our updated bi-weekly budget. As I said before, it comes in Google and Excel formats and will eventually be available in pink, blue, and green. The links to purchase these will be available in the description below. Thanks for watching.